Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect Squarespace to Facebook. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up our official Squarespace account and website if you're not already. So you can go to squarespace.com and open up your website. That's going to greet you like this. This is going to be the main page. From where, as you can see at the left side of the screen, we can find all the sections we can use for managing our website. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to connect it to Facebook directly. What we want to do is to go ahead and open up the settings tab right here at the left side of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, we have the settings options that you can open up. It's going to open up this new settings menu where at the left side of the screen you can find all the settings that you can go ahead and access, and what we want to use is third-party tools. This is what you want to open up. Once you open up third-party tools, you can go and find all the options you have right here, and as you can see, one of them is called connected accounts. We can connect and manage social accounts. So once you open it up, this is not going to enable us to connect an account. By clicking connect account, it's going to give you an option of all the accounts that you can connect, and what you want to do is select Facebook. So by selecting Facebook, it's going to open up Facebook, from where you can get started with signing into your Facebook that you want to connect directly to Squarespace. And once you've done that, you are going to go ahead and be able to integrate those two platforms and combine them, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.